Hello friends, welcome to Deep Learn program. Myself Sriram, working for ACE Engineering Academy since 2014. I teach here digital logic design for GATE, ESE and PSU exams in ECE, electrical and instrumentation stream. This course is designed in a systematic way to boost the confidence levels of the students. The course starts with very fundamental section. Once you are thorough with the basics, the course takes you to the advanced level of numerical and logical objective questions. This course gives you real-time exposure to the practical applications. So, this subject is not only for GATE, ESE and PSU, it is also can help you to crack interviews and other academic exams if you are college going students. The ultimate goal of a student at any point of time is to get the job. In most of the cases, students has to face interviews. This course will definitely help you to face the interviews. Coming to the subject, I will teach all the topics in digital logic design, followed by some of the important previous GATE questions, along with some very good practice questions giving insights into the concept which are applicable for ESE. Coming to the PSU exams, most of the questions are theory based and 10 to 20% of the questions are repetitive in nature, and those areas are promptly highlighted in this course. I will tell you one very important thing about the subject, that is, this subject is very simple and scoring one. With the relatively less effort, you can score more marks, hence it can help you to improve your rank, and the duration of this subject is only around 6 years. One more important thing is, you may watch hundreds of hours of course contents. It is of no use unless you put sufficient practice. The only way to get confidence in the subject is thorough practice, and therefore we designed this program to give the best possible practice session to the students. One of the good thing about the Deep Learn video class coaching is, after completion of every topic, there is a provision for student to doubts clarified through the online doubts clearance session. I suggest you, before moving to next topic, complete all relevant questions from the completed topic. And in the course, every unit involve the following subsequent categories, like introduction part, section and subsection part, and solved examples. So, automatically you can follow a systematic order and you can enjoy the course. I hope you will all enjoy this advanced learning platform. Wish you all the best and good luck.